students, welcome to the next lecture of body fluids and circulation. Here in this lecture we are going to discuss about the disorders related to heart, clear, or the disorders related to the circulatory system. There are so many types of disorders. Here we are going to discuss about 2 or 3 and after that in the next lecture. So the first disorder which is related to our circulatory system, that is called as arrhythmia. Clear? So here is disorders related to heart, or we can say that disorders related to circulatory system. The first disorder is called as arrhythmia. This disorder is caused due to the irregular functioning of the SA node or the irregular damage to the SA node. Clear? This disease, because the disease is called as arrhythmia. ठीक है, हमारे हार्ट की जो रिदम है, that rhythm or that impulse is generated by SA node, जो हमारा कंडक्टिंग सिस्टम, SA node जो हमारा पेस मेकर ऑफ द हार्ट है, उस पेस मेकर में जब कोई इरेगुलरिटी आ जाती है तो उस केस में इम्पल्सेस का जनरेशन जो है वो प्रॉपर नहीं होता है. दैट डिजीज इज कॉल्ड एज एरिथमिया. सो दिस इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू इरेगुलर हार्ट बीट. ठीक है, सो इरेगुलर हार्ट बीट ड्यू टू द डैमेज ऑफ एसए नोड. सो इन दिस डिजीज द हार्ट बीट इज गोइंग टू बी इरेगुलर ड्यू टू द डैमेज irregular heartbeat. This is irregular heartbeat due to the damage of SA node. ठीक है, ऐसे नोड जब डैमेज होगा तो हार्ट बीट प्रॉपरली जनरेट नहीं हो पाएगी. ठीक है, सो इन द पेस मेकर ऑफ हार्ट. इस डिजीज के ट्रीटमेंट में हम करते क्या है, आर्टिफिशियल पेस मेकर हमारे हार्ट में इंसर्ट किया जाता है. सो व्हाट इज द ट्रीटमेंट? आर्टिफिशियल पेस मेकर क्या होता है हम देखते हैं उसके बारे में. सो हियर द ट्रीटमेंट इज use of artificial pacemaker. So here the artificial pacemaker is used in the treatment of arrhythmia. Now what is artificial pacemaker? Artificial pacemaker में basically lithium halide batteries का यूज किया जाता है और लिथियम हेलाइड बैटरीज के साथ साथ वहां पर एक पल्स जनरेटर एंड इलेक्ट्रोड्स लगाए जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो जो आर्टिफिशियल पेस मेकर है उसके पार्ट्स क्या क्या होते हैं? द पार्ट्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल पेस मेकर आर, फर्स्ट वन इज पल्स जनरेटर एंड सेकंड वन इज द लीड्स. सो हियर द पार्ट्स आर, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज पल्स जनरेटर and the second part is leads. Okay, so this is the part of artificial pacemaker. The pulse generator is basically made up of lithium halide batteries. Now we know that SA node is generating the electrical type of impulses. So here a battery is used for that purpose and the battery is made up of lithium halide. So pulse generator is made up of lithium halide batteries and the leads are the electrodes. Clear? One or more than one. These leads are the electrodes and the number of electrodes may be 1 or more than 1. This is the number of electrode. When the artificial pacemaker is having only one electrode, then it is called as one chamber pacemaker, and if it is having two, then it is called as two chambered pacemaker. It means the artificial pacemaker is basically of two types. So here I am writing the types of artificial pacemaker. Artificial pacemaker, it is basically of two types. One chamber pacemaker, and the second one is two chambered pacemaker. One chambered pacemaker is only attached to the one chamber of the heart with the help of a one lead, and the chamber is auricle. Clear? So it is one chamber pacemaker is attached only to the one chamber of heart with the help of one lead. So this is attached to one chamber of heart with one lead, and its structure is about like this. This is the lithium halide battery, and this is the lead having electrode. Yeah? So this is the structure of one chambered. This is battery, and this battery is made up of lithium halide. Yeah? So this is the structure of one chambered pacemaker, and the two chambered pacemaker is attached to the two chambers of heart or both of the chambers of heart. So here it is attached, both of the auricles. It is attached to the two chambers of heart. Two chambers of heart. Clear? The structure of this is the lithium halide battery, and here is the two electrodes. So these are the two electrodes. Clear? So this is the battery made up of lithium halide, and these are the two electrodes. Here is the single electrode. That's why it is the one chamber pacemaker, and it is the two chambered pacemaker. It means two electrodes are there. Now, where this pacemaker is placed in our body, this is also called as dual chambered. This pacemaker is placed in the body below the collarbone towards the left side. ये हमारी कॉलर बोन के नीचे लेफ्ट साइड में इसको हमारी बॉडी में प्लेस किया जाता है ताकि प्रॉपरली ये हमारे हार्ट की फंक्शनिंग को मैनेज कर सके. सो इट इज प्लेस्ड बिलो द कॉलर बोन टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द बॉडी. Okay? So this is about the first disease that is called as arrhythmia, in which irregular heartbeat is there due to the damage in the SA node, or in the treatment of this disease the SA node is changed, or the artificial SA node is going to be transferred in the body. The second type of disease is called as heart block. Clear? So the second disease is heart block. This disease is caused due to the abnormality in the conducting system of the heart. What is the conducting system? The impulses are generated from the SA node. From SA node, these impulses are transferred to the AV node, and from AV node to the bundle of His. क्लियर? दोनों वेंट्रिकल्स के अंदर बंडल ऑफ हिज का नेटवर्क प्रेजेंट है. ऐसे नोड ने जो इंपल्सेस जनरेट किया है, कार्डियक साइकिल में हमने देखा था, ऐसे नोड ने ना हमने जो कंडक्टिंग सिस्टम देखा था, ऐसे नोड impulses generate करता है. These SA nodes are transferred to the AV node, and from AV node they are transferred to the bundle of His. Okay, so this is the conducting system. Heart block is caused due to the irregularities in the working of the conducting system. So this disease is caused due to the irregularities in the conducting system of heart. Conducting system of heart. The parts of conducting system: SA node, AV node and bundle of His, or we can say that bundle branch blocks. So here is the conducting system, parts of conducting system, that is SA node. This is the one important part. Second one is AV node, and thirdly we have bundle branch block. Clear? So it is bundle for bundle of His. So bundle branch block. Clear? This is the abbreviation used for this is BBB. This is basically of two types, left BBB and right. Clear? Because we know that in both of the ventricles bundle of His are there. So in left side it is called as left bundle branch block, and in right side it is called as right bundle branch block. Okay, so this is the disease which is caused due to the irregularities in the conducting system of the heart. The next disease is called as bradycardia. Clear? In bradycardia, the abnormality is taking place in the heartbeat. Now we know that the normal heartbeat of a person is 72 times per minute. In case of bradycardia, the normal heartbeats gets down and it becomes approximately 60 times per minute. So if the normal heartbeat is decreased, then the disease is called as bradycardia, and if the normal heartbeat is going to be increased from 72 to almost 100 times, then this disease is called as tachycardia. Clear? So two diseases are also there, that is bradycardia, in which heartbeat decreases or the heartbeat lowers down from the normal heartbeat. So the third disease is called as bradycardia. In bradycardia, what is going to happen? The heartbeat decreases or the heart rate decreases. Heart rate decreases from normal to the 60 times per minute. It is approximate. Okay? So when the heartbeat is getting lowers down or it is decreased, then the disease is called as bradycardia, and in case of the heartbeat increase, the disease is called as tachycardia. Okay? So this disease is tachycardia, in which the heart rate increases. Heart rate increases from normal to approximately 100 times per minute. ठीक है, ये डिजीज मतलब नॉर्मली हम नॉर्मल रेस्टिंग पोजीशन में है, और जब नॉर्मली रेस्टिंग पोजीशन में है तो हमारी हार्ट बीट होती है 72 टाइम्स पर मिनट, और उसी कंडीशन में यदि हार्ट बीट डिक्रीज हो जाए और इंक्रीज हो जाए तो डिजीज कंडीशन ना. हार्ट बीट इंक्रीज फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज के टाइम पे भी हो सकती है, बट दैट इज नॉट द नॉर्मल हार्ट बीट. ठीक है, वो कुछ स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशंस में हो रही है और वो कुछ टाइम बाद में नॉर्मल भी हो जाएगी। लेकिन ये स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन नहीं है, ये नॉर्मली हमारा हार्ट जो है वो 72 टाइम्स बीट करता है। 72 टाइम्स की बजाय यदि ये हार्ट बीट ज्यादा हो जाए तो डिजीज होगी ट्रैकीकार्डिया। क्लियर? सो दिस इज अबाउट द 4 टाइप्स ऑफ डिजीजेस. Some diseases are also there. About that diseases we will discuss in our next lecture. Clear? Thanks for watching.